NTV! Woo!
Tapos weekend.
Just about to come true. Life's not as bad as it may seem. If you open your eyes to what's in front of you, dreams will make you happy. Feel dreamers rejoice. We'll always care. We're dreamers. Dreamers will never leave. You
Yes, thank you so much. Clap your hands.
Di gyud nato angay makalimtan ang ato ang mga members, mga adas, and you know what, we are growing na sad ta. So shout out to our members. We have our Better Ada members na mga adas. It's because we have Tata Boy Chavez, and we also have Hans James. is also our better ada and newly member nato mga adas. Imagine na ha, ni kalitra na siya ingon tayo nga, bossing, I'm in. Of course, you are welcome and everyone is so welcome. Kung kinsa to ganahan diya. And please do not forget to subscribe to their channels. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button para updated mo sa tanan nilang mga uploads, ilang mga buhatonon, ilang mga activities sa ilahang mga channels. And also, ang atong mga good ADA members. Kinsa sila? Si Fatboy TV, Jay's Kitchenette, and we also have Miss Ems Velarde. So very, very, very amen kayo mga adas. Pagkaingnon pang ada shino. Mo na very amen karo kayo. Anyway, thank you so much again, of course, to our members. All of you out there, among mga gusto ng mga members sa mga adas family. And please hit the join button. Tapad na siya sa subscribe button. Naa dito ang atuang mga nagkalain-laing nga memberships. We have good adas, better adas, best adas, and amazing adas with the respective perks mga adas. So please, don't forget, for those who have not subscribed to Make TV, it's www.youtube.com/MakeTV. This is Ada Elaine once again. Thank you so much for watching and always supporting Make TV. Make it yummy and make covers. Bye-bye. Ababu. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to cross.